JBS Textile Group goes all the way back to 1939. Since then, we've been a family-owned company, one that prides itself on having decades of experience. Our founder started out by making white underwear for men, but at a time when other companies only made 2 sizes, he made many. This philosophy of daring to go against conventional thinking in order to innovate is stitched into our very DNA. It's made us expand our product range and given us a broad portfolio of different brands. Now, we're the largest producer of underwear in Scandinavia, and that's far from it. With every product we create, we're determined to shape a better future. One made with the newest technology and responsibility weaved into every fiber. Our products are of a high quality and last longer. Clothing on a mission to confront the fast fashion industry without ever compromising look, feel, or quality for that matter. Years ago, we started to expand beyond the Scandinavian borders. Now we're in more than 60 countries. We own several European factories and work closely with our long-term partners in other parts of the world. This gives us flexibility and high delivery capacity. We say this because transparency is important in every aspect of our business. As a company that started out by making white underwear, it has to be. What ties it all together is this driving force and a dare to go against the conventional. That's the philosophy of JBS Textile Group.